Well, hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's 1 minute trade. You know, Michael Kors earnings out this morning. It looks like they've blown away their estimates. That's been typically the case with Michael Kors, but as you can see, breaks of multiple swing point lows, right, leads this stock to a gap lower, tries to pull back up, but pretty big volume. You're looking at it on this time frame, this looks pretty ugly. And that's coming into earnings. But if you pull it over and look at the weekly, there's a different story. So it really depends on your time frame when you're trading anything. Big volume bars here. Look at how much volume it had coming into them. If you take the bottom of this bar and the bottom of that bar, you can see that support zone in the TA Today charts pointed out for you. Comes into that area, doesn't have the volume, holds. This thing's going to try to bounce. Where can it bounce to? Well, if you go back up and you look at the top of this bar and you see the breakdown bar here, take that congruence, that area, you would think Michael Kors would try to come back up into this area. So that would be the spot on the way back up. If it gets over it, of course, it goes after the highs again. If it stops there, well, that's about where it should stop in terms of where resistance should show up. Michael Kors, top of the class, blows away his earnings again on a longer term time frame, still looks pretty appealing. And that is today's 1 minute trade.